Hello students, how are you? I hope all of you are fine. Students, in the previous class I started exercise 15C, in which I explained you what is the circumference of a circle and if radius or diameter is given for a circle, then how can we find the circumference or area of that circle. I told you 2 or 3 formulas also. Circumference of the circle, if radius is given, then we will use this formula 2 pi r, but if diameter is given, then we will use circumference of the circle is equal pi d, and area of the circle is equal pi r square or pi d upon 2 whole square. So today we will continue the same exercise because in the previous class I explained only up to question number 2. So question number 3 is find the diameter of the circles with the following circumferences. First circumference is given 31.4. So see here, question number 3rd A, circumference of the circle is given 31.4 centimeter. Then we will write the formula for circumference. Here we have to find the diameter. So we will write formula with diameter. Pi d. Formula for circumference is pi d equal 31.4. Value of pi is 3.14. Students, there are two values for the pi. One is 22 upon 7. Pi is equal 22 upon 7 and 3.14. We can use any value. So here we are using 3.14 into d is equal 31.4. Now this d is equal this 31.4 upon this 3.14. Here after decimal 2 digit and here after decimal 1 digit. So first we will add 1 0 here. Then after decimal 2 digit here, 2 digit here. Now cancel this decimal. So 3140 upon 314. 314 1 ja 314. 314 1 ja 314. 0 ki 0. Then d is equal 10 centimeter. B part is circumference of the circle is equal 6 meter. Formula pi d is equal this 6. Value of pi is 3.14 into d equal 6. Then d is equal this 6 upon 3.14. Again after decimal here 2 digit. Then we will put 2 digit, cancel this decimal from here and we will put 2 digit here. So it is 600 upon 314. 2 1 ja 2, 1 remainder, 2 5 ja 10, 1 remainder, 2 7 ja 14. Then 2 3 ja 6, 0 0. It is 300 upon 157. Now we will divide this 300 by this 157. We get 1.91. So diameter is 1.91 meter. Its C part is circumference of the circle is 63 centimeter. Formula for circumference pi d is equal 63. Value of pi is 22 upon 7 into d equal 63. Then this d equal 63 multiply this 7. 63 multiply 7 upon this 22. Then d is equal 7 3 ja 21. Carry 2. 7 6 ja 42 and 244 upon this 22. Then we will divide this 441 by 22. We get 20.05, which can be written as 20.045, which can be written as 20.05 centimeter. Okay. Now its remaining two part d and d you will do self. Now question number 4. Find the radius of the circles with the following areas. In this question, area of the circles are given and we have to find the radius. In this question we will do only two parts, fourth A and fourth C. B, D and E cut. So come here. Area of the circle in A part is 28.3 square centimeter. So area of the circle is 28.3 square centimeter. Area, formula for area is pi r square is equal 28.3. Then this r square equal 28.3 upon this pi. R square is equal 28.3 upon value of pi is 3.14. Again here after decimal there are two digits and here only one digit. So we will add one digit here. Then after decimal there two digit. Cancel this decimal from, cancel these two decimal. Again simplify it. 2 1 is 2. 1 remainder. 2 5 is 10. 2 7 is 14. 2 1 is 2. 2 4 is 8. 2 1 is 2. 2 5 is 10. Now r square is equal 1415 upon 157. When we divide this 1415 by 157, we get 9.01. This 9.01 can be taken as 9. So r square is equal 9. Then r square is equal 9 is the square of 3. 3 square. Square cancel. R is equal 3 centimeter. Now for C part. In C part, area is 3.14 square centimeter. C, area of the circle is equal 3.14 square centimeter. Formula for area is pi r square equal 3.14. Then r square is equal 3.14 upon this pi. R square is equal 3.14 upon 3.14. 3.14 both are same, so cancel, these are cancelled, we get 1. Now r square is equal 1 square, so r is equal 1. Square cancel. Now come to question number 6. If the circumference of a circle is 31.4 centimeter, then find its radius. In this question, circumference of a circle is given. Clear? See, we will write first circumference of the circle is equal 31.4 centimeter. Formula for circumference is 2 pi r equal 31.4. Then this r is equal 31.4 upon this 2 pi. R is equal 31.4 upon 2 into value of pi 3.14. See again here after decimal 2 digit, here only 1 digit. Cancel the, add 1 0 here and cancel this decimal. So 3140 upon 2 into 314. 314 1 is 314. 314 1 is 314. 0. Now this 10 upon this 2. 2 1 is 2, 2 5 is 10. So r is equal 5 centimeter. Now question number 7. You will do self. Calculate the area of a circle whose radius is given. In this question, radius of a circle is given. You have to find the area. You will do self as I explained in question number 2. Now question number 5 left. We will do this question number 5 in the next class. Okay, students. Thank you, students, and have a nice day.